Easter friend with his Macrame Bunnies.
Glue and wrap the Makr macrame cord around the paper mache egg to make the body. Glue Makr macrame cord into circles for the feet and into ovals for the ears. Glue pom-poms to the feet and attach them to the body. Pinch the tip of the ears and glue them in place. Glue the ears to the body. For the whiskers, cut 3 5cm pieces of Sullivans Chenille Sticks and glue them. Glue the pom-pom at the centre of the whiskers, stick on the joggle eyes.